Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do ragi idlis and moong dal sambar. 1 cup of split green gram sambar, that is moong dal sambar, and 3 ragi idlis, that is finger millet idlis, is around 372 calories. Let us move on and see how to prepare the finger millet idli. Take 1.5 cups of finger millet, that is ragi. Clean this and soak this in water for about 8 to 10 hours. Now add a little water and grind this into a fine batter. So here is the grinded ragi. Into this we are going to add 1.5 cups of dosa batter. Give a nice mix. So here the batter is ready. Let us pour this into the idli plate. You have to steam this for 10 minutes. So here is our ragi idlis. Next let us see how to prepare the moong dal or split green gram sambar. Take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram. Let the mustards pop. Once the mustard starts popping, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 10 to 15 shallots or half an onion, 2 green chilies and few curry leaves. Saute this until the shallots turn translucent. To this let us add a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Once the onions are translucent, you can add the tomatoes. You can add up to 3 tomatoes. We need to saute the tomatoes well. You can add the required amount of salt here itself so that the tomatoes will get cooked quickly. Once the tomatoes are cooked well, you can add 2 teaspoons of sambar powder. If you don't have sambar powder, add coriander powder and half a teaspoon of chili powder. Saute this for about a minute and then add 2 cups of cooked split green gram. You can pressure cook 1 cup of moong dal, that is split green gram, for the recipe. Add 2 cups of water along with this. Give a nice mix. If you feel the sambar is thick, you can add another cup of water. Add few chopped coriander leaves. Now bring this to a boil and let this boil for another 5 minutes. So here the moong dal sambar is ready. This combo is very rich in protein, so you can add this in your weight loss diet. The 3 ragi idlis has 4.4 grams of proteins, 0.9 grams of fats, 28.8 grams of carbohydrates and 3.9 grams of fiber. 1 cup of moong dal sambar has 4.8 grams of proteins, 3.3 grams of fats, 24.3 grams of carbohydrates and 4.4 grams of fiber. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.